Howdy folks, we're back again at 156 running a 4-winner mini for Brandon's Carded Empire Leia. Looks like a 41 back there. I got 50 spots that I'm going to copy and take over to random. There you can see top 4 win spots in the main. And I'll paste them in here. There they are, 1 through 50. Gonna roll the dice, got to get at least a 5. We got a 5. So we are good to go. Good luck, guys and gals. I'm going to get right to it. Troy in the top spot for round 1. Phil round 2. Harvey round 3. Phil round 4. And our winners are Todd, Mike, Todd, and Phil. Congrats, guys. Here's the official results and verification code. XIIGZP. Todd, Mike, Todd, and Phil. Which means I'm done at 157. There it is. There it is. Again, here's the official results and our winners. Congrats, fellas. We'll see you next time. Thank you.